How's it going, guys? Welcome to another DIY with Frank. In today's episode we are going to be fixing my r33 tachometer because it has been doing some crazy stuff like this. Sometimes you start the car, it simply doesn't work. The funny thing about old cars is just if something is not working, just give it a little taps. You see? Now it's working. Or otherwise, when you hit it a bit, it just says like doing this shit or something like that. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how you can fix it. I will not show you how all the process how to disassemble it, because there is a lot of videos on YouTube that shows you how you can disassemble it. I will put in the links down below, some suggestions that you can look in order to see how you can disassemble it. But it's very easy. As you can see right there, I have already the tachometer disassembled from this casing. As you can see, you just have some few tabs right there, as you can see on the bottom, and you can just simply take them out. So in order to take out the tachometer itself, as you can see, I've already dismounted it. There is some screws here on the back. As you can see, those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. So you have to take out all those six screws in order to take out the tachometer. So in order to fix the tachometer, what we have to do is go ahead and resolder all the solderings that you see right there on the back, because maybe some of them have just cracked over this 25 years or 26 years of existence of this car. So that's why maybe it's not working. So I will just go ahead and resolder everything down here, go back to the car and test, just to show you guys that it works. So yeah, guys, I don't know if you can see it, but I have just soldered those ones right here. I believe you can see this one, and that one that connects to the motor are the ones that I have resoldered. Then I will clean it up with this electronic cleaner to make sure that everything is clean. Then I will just put it back and go to the car to test it out. So we are here back to the car. As you can see, we have 3 plugs right here that plugs here back onto the dash. Okay guys, so we have everything back together. So now it's time to test it out. Okay, so far everything is working out as it should. Let's start it up. Right there, guys, it's working. Oh my god, it's working. I'm so happy it's working. Oh yeah. Woo. Problems with I'm so happy right now. My tacho is fixed. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any problem with your tacho, now it's time to fix it. See you later. Peace. Subscribe.